Hi guys, this is Mamila and right now nandito tayo sa Mercato dito sa My Bridgetown. I'm going to meet some of the contestants na magiging winner na food entrepreneur na dito ngayon. Our first contestant daw, hindi naman, the first merchant na interviewin natin is about Poke Bee. Ito yung pangalan ng kanilang stall and we have here Bina. Okay, hi guys!
Hi!
Hello!
Hello,
So
everybody!
Hello Bina, question! Bakit Poke Bee?
Well, actually, we wanted to kasi parang gusto namin medyo yung tunog ng pangalan namin is kind of familiar na, di ba, sa Filipino audience. So, kaya Poke Bee siya.
Okay, so paliwanag natin, what is Poke Bee? What's the menu? What's the variant? Ano yung ating kakaiba?
Well, actually, Poke Bee, it's a native Hawaiian dish siya. So, it's, sa totoo lang, rice meal talaga siya. Rice meal. And then, I know patok sa Pinoy, di ba, mga parang sushi, di ba, may tayo sa ganyan. In a way, ganun lang din siya. So, we have tuna, we have salmon. Binamarinate namin siya in our, of course, secret marinade namin. Yan. And then, we have sides. So, ano siya, it's very healthy. Alam naman natin trending ngayon, 'di ba? Very wellness, 'di ba? It's high protein, low fat, and nakaka-happy talaga pag nakita nyo. So we call it good mood food.
Okay, affordability. So how much naman ang price range natin? Although we know naman medyo mas mataas ng konti dito sa Mercato kasi syempre we have other overhead expenses.
Of course, pero yun actually yung pinaka-mission namin, Mamila. Kasi dun sa mga familiar na poke dito sa Philippines, it's more of like, I would say affluent ang mga market nila, di ba? Usually pag sinabi mong poke, pang social. Pero sa totoo lang, pagka nasa Hawaii kayo, street food talaga siya.
Ang Poke Bee, okay.
Yeah, so yun yung parang pinaka-mission namin. We want to bring poke, make it familiar to the people. Kaya ang pricing namin, it's very affordable. For example, yung base namin na tuna poke bowl, maniniwala ka, Mamila, 200 lang siya.
Wow! So, para ka na lang din. Well, right now, Diyos ko, magkano na mga price range naman sa fast food, di ba?
Correct. And we make it affordable, pero hindi namin, of course, kino-compromise yung quality ng ingredients. So, it's very fresh. Kami mismo yung gumagawa. And yun nga, ang mission namin talaga is maging familiar yung Filipino audience.
Okay. So right now, nandito tayo sa Mercato. Pero besides this, okay, alam natin mag-umpisa kayo dito. Are there any other locations na right now nagpo-provide na kayo? Facebook account, kung pwedeng Grab or something?
Yes, thank you so much. So sa for our opportunity na pagpa-plug, no? Actually, meron na kaming pwesto. We are a native of Better Living, Parañaque.
Oh, nice.
We also attend na mga here and there pop-up events. Mostly taga-South. So, first time namin dito sa North of Manila. So, yun. And then, you can follow us on Facebook. It's Poke Bee PH. Or sa Instagram and TikTok, it's PokeBee_PH.
Okay. So, yun na nga guys. Mamaya titignan natin yung kanilang ihahanda. And I'll send yung, insert ko na lang mamaya yung photos and videos nila.
Yes, thank you!